Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Kim Taehyung, widely known as V from the global sensation BTS, candidly shared details about his personal life. Among the topics discussed was his current relationship status, which might come as a surprise to many fans. Contrary to numerous speculations and rumors, Taehyung revealed that he is currently single and does not have a girlfriend. The charismatic singer, recognized for his deep voice and unique fashion sense, admitted that despite his celebrity status, finding the right person to share his life with has not been easy. "I've been focusing a lot on our music and our tours," he explained. "It's been a wonderful, but busy journey with the members. As of now, I'm still searching for that special someone." Taehyung's revelation instantly became a hot topic among the ARMY, the dedicated fan base of BTS. Fans took to social media to express their reactions, with some expressing surprise and others sending message of support. The hashtag V single and ready to mingle quickly began trending on Twitter as fans worldwide shared their thoughts and well wishes for the idol's romantic journey. Despite his single status, Taehyung emphasized that BTS's current priorities remain their music and their loyal fans. The group has been enjoying immense success on a global scale, recently achieving a record-breaking album release and captivating audiences with their dynamic performances. As Taehyung continues to focus on his career and personal growth, fans are eagerly anticipating any updates about his love life. For now, it seems that the charming singer will be pouring his energy into his artistry and connecting with fans around the world. Continuing the interview, Taehyung also touched upon his approach to relationships and what he values in a potential partner. He mentioned that he admires people who are genuine, understanding and supportive of his career. "Being in a relationship is about mutual respect and understanding each other's dreams," he stated. "I believe that when the right person comes along, I'll know it." The conversation also shifted to the group's upcoming projects and plans. BTS has been consistently pushing the boundaries of their music and performances, and Taehyung hinted at exciting developments in the pipeline. "We always strive to bring something new to our fans, something they can connect with," he shared. "We're working on music that reflects our growth and experiences, and we can't wait to share it." As the interview concluded, Taehyung expressed his gratitude to the fans for their unwavering support. He mentioned that the love and encouragement from the ARMY have been a driving force for BTS's success and visual pursuits. "We wouldn't be where we are without our fans," he said. "Their passion fuels us to keep creating and improving." Well, fans may be curious about Taehyung's romantic journey. It's evident that his dedication to his craft and his bond with the BTS members remain his top priorities. As the interview spread across media platforms, fans continued to shower him with affection and support, excitedly awaiting the group's upcoming projects and Taehyung's eventual journey into romance, whenever that time may come. Meanwhile, BTS asks fans to calm down as ARMY gather in huge force. Taehyung, who is mononymously known as V, is currently in Japan for a Celine event. Many fans and ARMYs flocked to the event location to get a glimpse of their idol. V is widely recognized both in South Korea and internationally. Thus, when fans in Japan discovered that the idol was present in their country for a Celine event, they swiftly gathered at the store to extend their welcome to him. Nonetheless, the excitement grew so fervent that V had to personally request ARMY to ease down the commotion. When he arrived, he noticed all the fans and made sure to greet them all, even if they were standing further from the store. As he walked past the fans, he made sure to greet them all with a huge smile on his face. Since becoming the ambassador for Celine, V has showcased why he is the perfect person to represent the brand. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Tell me in comment section.